The Meghalaya Cabinet on Friday approved the acquisition of 35 acres of land at TYNring in the new Shillong Township to link the proposed administrative city with the Knowledge City. According to officials, the identified land will also house the new central jail, which is set to replace the aging facility in Shillong. Briefing reporters after the meeting, Cabinet Minister Wailat Miki Shilla said the land price settled by the government falls between Rs 250 per square feet and Rs 2,691 per square meter, aligning with the rate earlier notified by the Deputy Commissioner at Rs 2,900 per square meter. He informed that the acquisition process is moving forward and construction of the new central jail will commence as soon as the land is formally handed over. The decision forms part of the new Shillong Township Development Plan, which envisions major projects including an administrative hub and a knowledge hub to ease congestion in Shillong and accelerate regional development.
The rate actually it is 250 per square feet and 2,691 per square meter. But the government rate is, the DC notified rate is 2,900 per square meter. So we got it below the DC notified rate.
And when does the work begin for construction of the jail there?
No, because now see we are in the process of acquiring the land. So once we acquire the land, then only we can proceed with the construction.
Party or
private party, and it is from the previous owner only, where we previously also we have bought the land for I think for police police reserve or something. Jail, for that I think that the clarity is not with me, but for right now as I have been informed that this is for jail. 35 acres. See, because we are in the process, because it has to be clear from the cabinet. Then only we are already in talk with the so it is, since it has been brought to the cabinet, so I think very soon it will be clear.